Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, Mr. Science will begin a diet. His initial weight is 280 pounds. He plans to lose 3 pounds per month, where X represents the number of months under the diet plan and Y, Mr. Science's weight under the diet plan. Which equation represents his weight? So, I'm looking for an equation that represents his weight, Mr. Science's weight. Is that right? Okay, so let's go back and see what's given to us. Well, I can see that 280, and 280 is actually Mr. Science's initial weight. It says his initial weight. So that's his weight at the beginning, right? That's how much he weighed at the beginning, okay? Now, he has a plan, right? What is his plan? Well, he's planning to lose 3 pounds per month. So, his goal is set to lose 3 pounds per month. Every month, he wants to lose 3, right? Now, what else do I know? Well, it says that X represents the number of months, right, under the plan, and the Y represents his weight under the plan. Okay, so now I know X and Y. Okay, so let's analyze the question here then. Then if he weighs 280 pounds at the beginning, that's how much he weighed. Is that right? Well, what happens after the first month? Let's suppose a whole month goes by. He comes back and he weighs himself. Is he going to weigh 280 pounds? No, right? Because he's losing, and losing means subtracting. So we're going to take away the 3 pounds that he more than likely he lost on the first month. And that will be equals to 277. Okay? What about in the second month? So this one is the first month. So this is the weight after the first month. Okay? So 2 months goes by and he's doing, his diet and everything. And he actually lost the other 3 pounds. Okay? So how many pounds would he have lost by now then? 3 plus 3 makes 6, or 3 times 2, right? Okay, so we're going to say, well, in the second month, I'm going to actually go back and write it down as 280 minus something. So I'm not going to say 280 minus 6. I'm going to write it down as the pounds that he loses and the months that had gone by, which is 2 months. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6. So 280 minus 6 is 274. So this is his weight after 2 months. Okay? What about 3 months? Well, in 3 months, if he's keeping everything consistent, he would have lost 9 pounds, right? Yes, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So we're going to say, how can I represent that? Well, his initial weight was 280. Then we need to subtract 280 minus 9. But the way that I represent that is 3 times 3. That's 9. And 280 minus 9 is 271. So this will be his weight after 3 months. Okay? So what is the 2 and the 3 represents? Okay? These 2 and the 3 represents the number of months. And in the problem, it says that the number of months is represented with X. So I'm going to rewrite my equation. And now I am not going to write down a number in the parentheses. I'm going to write down the X. Because X is the number of months. Okay? And what about the weight? What about his weight after so many months? That represents the Y value. Okay? And I know what you're thinking. None of the answer choices looks like that. because on the answer choices, the y, it's on the left side of the equal sign, which is perfectly fine. All we gotta do is we're gonna swap the y, it's gonna come to the left, and everything else is gonna come to the right, okay? And I want you to look at the answer choices and notice now that my answer choice B matches exactly that answer.